All right, hello everybody. This is Bryce from Computers Repair Plus. I'm here today with my technician Moorshed. We are working on a remarkable device. It's an interesting device. You usually don't see a lot of repairs around the United States for remarkables. Most repair shops don't do it, but here at Computers Repair Plus, we will repair pretty much anything, any issue with your remarkable device, whether it's the screen, anything like that. The issue we're having here is with the power button. It's a pretty common issue with most remarkable devices when after the user drops their device, the power button stops working. So pretty well versed in fixing that up. So if anybody has any issues with your remarkable device, you can stop by the shop. You can give us a call at 941-567-6431 if you have any questions. Or you can go on our website, which is computersrepairplus.com, and then you can shoot us an email from there. Or if you would just like to bring in your device on your own, you can stop by the shop at 1829 Lakewood Ranch Boulevard in Bradenton, FL 34211. And that is it. Thank you.